Okay, so let me walk you through this Benime app. Okay, now when you open your app, you're going to see a blank screen under a white page under these projects. Okay, you are seeing all these things because these are some animations I've been trying to create. Okay, but you will see this first one, some templates like this. Okay, you can download this app from Play Store. Okay, and it has pro version. The pro version does not have watermark, and doesn't have watermark, and you won't see ads coming up. Okay, so I will give you the pro version, the one that I'm using. Okay, but this you can't use this pre-made templates with this particular pro version. I don't know why, but that is not my challenge. All I wanted is to create from scratch, and as long as I'm having all the pro features, that's fine. Okay, so but you can as well download the normal free version and you can use some templates. Okay, so when you open it, this is what you're going to see. All right, you can play this. When you play this, it will take you to YouTube, where you will play the sample. Okay, so now this is what you're going to see immediately you open the app. Now if you want to create your project, you click on this plus icon. Okay, now you type the name of your project. Let me say test. Okay, now you select the canvas size, whether you want to upload YouTube 1080 pixels or 720 pixels, or Instagram or TikTok. So you select your canvas size. Okay, for now I'm just select Facebook, then you click on create movie. All right, when you click on create movie, you're going to see a blank interface like this because you are creating from scratch. And remember, I'm just walking you through the app. Now this is where your work will be displayed in this white space here. Okay, now you can here at the top right side you will see the save icon. This is if you want to save your work. You see the play icon. This is if you want to play it to see how your work is. Okay, and this is the share icon. That is if you want to export it. If you save, it remains in your app, okay, as a raw file. Until you export, you will not see it in your gallery. Okay, now we have the plus sign here below here if you want to add more slide. Okay, now we have the sticker, we have the text, we have the background, we have the hand, we have the music. So this sticker helps you to add pictures. Now if you want to import your own picture, you can do that by clicking on images. Okay, when you click on images, it will take you to your pictures. All right, now SVG is a kind of image, that is a kind of picture format. So if you have an SVG picture format, you can upload it. Now you have animation. That is, if you have any JSON file, you can upload it from here. Now this Jiffy is a meme portal where you can get memes. Okay, so this platform is connected with Jiffy, where you can get memes. Okay, for example, now you have Unsplash is also a stock image site. Okay, where you can get images, so you can select any of these. Okay, now once I add a picture, you can see that I have added a picture. Okay, now if I want to add another one, I will click on stickers. Let me look for a Jiffy. Let me just get this. It will download. It's downloading. Let's wait for it to download. Okay, we have it here now. You can see we have the image I imported, we have the Jiffy too. Okay, now if you want to shrink it, if you want to shrink this particular image, you can do that by using this red button here to increase the size. Okay, now if you want to delete it, you can do that by clicking on the delete icon. Okay, so now this one too, if you want to, this is delay, duration and pause is when you start animating. That is when you use this feature. Okay, now if you click on this power icon beside the delete icon, it will help you to add animating effect. Okay, you can choose anyone that you want. Okay, when you play it, so that is it. Let's continue now. Okay, the text helps you add text. Hello. Now this is the text. You can increase the size from here too. You can increase the font size. Okay, from this number here, you can increase the font size. You can change the font. It has some fonts that you can use. All right, you can change the color of the text. When you do that, you drag this towards this part. You can change the color of the text to anything you want. Okay, you can centralize, you can align right, you can align left. Then you can edit again if you want to edit using the pencil icon. And if you want to add the slow it down, the animating effect, you can use the delay, duration and pause. Okay, so the background has to do with if you want to change the background of your slide. Okay, can you see it has changed? Okay, if you want to change the background of your slide, if you want to use a green board, you can make use of a green board. Okay, that is it. Now the hand has to do with the kind of hand you want to use as the handwriting. Okay, you can use different hands. Okay, now you have music. You can upload a music track or a voiceover that you have done from that you already saved in your phone. You can upload it, or you can do your own voiceover. You can record directly on the app using this voice over here. All right, now when you tap at these three dots, vertical dots, okay, you see more options. On any slide you tap, you can delete. You see the option of play, delete. Let me just delete this. Okay, yes, since we are working with this one. Now when you tap on it, you see play. If you want to play what you have just done. Okay, now you will see add audio. Okay, now when you see add audio, you can choose from your music library that is in your phone. Then you see where now you can find text to speech. Text to speech allows you to convert text to speech. Let's say hello. Okay, let's preview.
Hello.
Can you see? Now you can change the language. It has different languages. Let's use Japanese and say hello.
Hello.
Can you see? Now let's look for another language. Portuguese. Okay,
Hello.
can you see? So you can change it. Let's look for another one. Chinese. Okay, let's
Hello.
Okay, so you can select go back to English. You have English, Australian English, England. Okay, you have English.
Hello.
Okay, so this is for text to speech. Once you are done, you can increase. If you have so much text, you can increase the speed, the pitch and the rate at which is going to talk. So you now click on, once you are done, you just click on save as mp3. Okay, and it will be affected in your slide. Okay, you cancel when you play.
Hello.
Can you see? So this is just a walkthrough around the app. Okay, you need to organize it. You need to organize your animation. So we have add background. If you want to add background, okay, if you want to add a background image this time around, if you want to add the background image, you can use this add background option. No longer if you want to change background color. If you want to change the background color, you can use this. Let's say if you want to use black, okay, you can use this. Okay, now back to this place. If you want to add animation, let's say you have 2 slides and you want to add animation to the slide before another one comes, you can do it from here. All right, now then if you want to delete a slide, you can do it from here. So if you want to save, you click on this save icon, it saves. Okay, it asks you to save your project, you say yes. When it saves, it's just the raw file of this animation. Okay, it doesn't go to your gallery. All right, when you save, it saves in this app. Okay, so that you can come back and work on it. But you want to export it to your gallery, then you have to click on this send icon, and you now write the name, and you now click make movie. Okay, you write the name and you click make a movie, test, for example, test, and you click make movie. It's going to export, it will render. All right, no, so it's done. Let's go back. So now if you want to add another slide, for example, another slide, the third slide, you use this plus icon here. Okay, so this is how to walk around your Benime app. Now you can use this tool to adjust the color. If you want black or true, you drag it. If you want more colors, you drag it. You can as well use this to give it a transparent look. All right, so this is just a walkthrough around this app. Okay, we'll be creating our first animation. Thank you.